You don't feel rich. Not at first. The number sits on a screen, clean, quiet, unreal. More than anyone in your family has ever had. More than you ever expected to see. You refresh it once, then again. It doesn't change. Nothing around you changes either. Same room, same walls, same habits. The same chair you've been sitting in for years. But something is different. You got here slowly. Not in one moment. Not with one decision. It was smaller than that. Repetition, discipline, saying no when it was easier to say yes, working when no one was watching, learning things no one around you talked about. At the beginning, no one noticed. Why would they? There was nothing to see. No results. No proof. Just time spent on something that didn't make sense yet. You tried to explain it once. The conversation didn't last long, so you stopped explaining. You kept going. Days turned into routines. Routines turned into systems. You stopped chasing motivation. You built structure instead. Wake up, work, learn, repeat. No shortcuts, no sudden changes, just consistency. The first real shift wasn't money. It was awareness. You started to see patterns, how money moves, how people think, how decisions compound over time. You noticed how most people wait for the right moment, the right opportunity, the right conditions. You stopped waiting. You acted early, quietly, imperfectly. While others hesitated, you moved. Not fast, just forward. Mistakes happened. Of course they did. Some cost you time, some cost you money. A few almost made you quit, but each one removed uncertainty. Each one made the next decision clearer. Over time, things began to stack. Not visibly, not all at once, but enough. The first 5 figures didn't change anything. The first 6 didn't either. It still felt like progress, not arrival. You adjusted, reinvested, continued. You didn't celebrate. You optimized. While others upgraded their lifestyle, you upgraded your system. Better decisions, better habits, better control. The gap widened. Then one day, without warning, it happens. 7 figures. No noise, no announcement. Just a number crossing a line. You stare at it. You think about where you started. The conversations about money that never went beyond survival. The idea that wealth belonged to other people. Different people. Not you, not your family. But now it's here, and it's yours. You expect something to change. A feeling, a release, something. But it doesn't come. Because the truth is, you didn't become someone new. You became more of what you already were. Disciplined, focused, detached from shortcuts. The habits that got you here don't stop now. If anything, they become more important. Because now there's something to protect. You look at your surroundings again. Still the same. But your decisions aren't. You think differently now. Longer term, wider, more precise. Every move has weight. Not because you're afraid to lose it, but because you understand how easily people do. This isn't the finish line. It never was. It's just a new level of responsibility. A new position in a system you now understand. Your family doesn't fully see it yet. They see the result, not the process. Not the years of silence, the repetition, the restraint. That part was yours alone, and it still is. Because this path doesn't end with one number. It continues, quietly, just like it started.